Doing this will make your car get better gas mileage. Tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear at the gas pump? You're not alone. The good news is you don't need to buy a new car to drastically improve your gas mileage. Simple changes to your driving habits and car maintenance can make a huge difference. Let's dive into how you can save money and help the environment, 1 gallon at a time. Your driving style has a massive impact on your car's fuel efficiency. Aggressive driving, characterized by rapid acceleration and hard braking, is a major fuel guzzler. By adopting a smoother, more controlled approach, you can significantly improve your MPG. Rapid acceleration is a fuel guzzler. Every time you slam on the gas, your engine has to work extra hard, burning more fuel. Think of it like sprinting versus jogging. One uses a lot more energy. Hard braking wastes fuel. When you brake hard, you're essentially throwing away the energy you used to accelerate. Anticipating traffic and coasting to a stop saves fuel and reduces wear on your brakes. Speeding consumes more fuel. The faster you drive, the more wind resistance your car encounters. Overcoming this resistance requires more power, and therefore, more fuel. Aim for smooth, consistent acceleration. Gently ease onto the gas pedal, avoiding sudden bursts of speed. This will help your engine operate more efficiently and save you money. Maintain a steady speed, especially on highways. Fluctuations in speed require constant adjustments to the throttle, which wastes fuel. Try to maintain a consistent pace for optimal efficiency. Use cruise control to maintain consistent speed. Cruise control is your friend on long drives. It helps you maintain a steady speed, preventing unnecessary acceleration and deceleration. Cruise control optimizes fuel efficiency. By maintaining a constant speed, cruise control minimizes fuel consumption and helps you get the most out of every gallon. It's a simple way to save money and reduce your carbon footprint. A well-maintained car runs more efficiently, plain and simple. Neglecting routine maintenance can lead to decreased fuel economy and costly repairs down the road. Think of it as preventative medicine for your car. Ensure tires are properly inflated. This is one of the easiest and most overlooked ways to improve gas mileage. Check your tire pressure regularly and keep them inflated to the recommended level. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. When your tires are underinflated, they have more contact with the road, creating more friction. This increased friction forces the engine to work harder. Increased rolling resistance forces the engine to work harder. A harder working engine needs more fuel to maintain the same speed. Properly inflated tires reduce this resistance and improve fuel efficiency. Harder work for the engine consumes more fuel. It's a direct relationship. More resistance, more work, more fuel. Keeping your tires properly inflated is a simple way to reduce the load on your engine. Check tire pressure regularly. Don't just rely on the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Use a tire pressure gauge to check your tires at least once a month, or more frequently if you notice any changes. Tire pressure fluctuates with temperature changes. As the temperature drops, tire pressure decreases. Be sure to adjust your tire pressure accordingly, especially during the colder months. Keep the engine tuned. A properly tuned engine runs more efficiently and produces fewer emissions. Regular tune-ups can significantly improve your gas mileage. Replace spark plugs as recommended. Worn spark plugs can cause misfires, which reduce fuel efficiency and can damage your engine. Follow your manufacturer's recommendations for spark plug replacement. Replace air filters as recommended. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, forcing it to work harder and burn more fuel. Replacing your air filter regularly ensures optimal engine performance. Proper maintenance ensures optimal engine performance. A well-maintained engine runs smoothly and efficiently, maximizing fuel economy and minimizing emissions. It's an investment that pays off in the long run. Proper maintenance ensures optimal fuel combustion. When your engine is properly maintained, it burns fuel more completely, extracting more energy from each gallon. This translates to better gas mileage and reduced emissions. The heavier your car, the more fuel it takes to move it. Reducing unnecessary weight can significantly improve your gas mileage, especially in city driving. Think of it as shedding extra pounds to run faster. Empty the trunk of heavy items. Do you have a collection of sports equipment, tools, or other unnecessary cargo in your trunk? Removing these items can lighten your load and improve fuel efficiency. Examples: sports equipment, tools, unnecessary cargo. Take a look in your trunk and be honest with yourself. Do you really need to be carrying around that extra weight? Heavier cars require more fuel to move. It's simple physics. The more mass you have, the more energy it takes to accelerate and maintain speed. Reducing weight reduces the energy required. Remove roof racks when not in use. Roof racks and cargo carriers create drag, which reduces fuel efficiency. If you're not using them, take them off. Remove cargo carriers when not in use. Cargo carriers are especially bad for fuel economy. They create a large amount of drag, significantly increasing fuel consumption. Roof racks and cargo carriers create drag. Drag is the force that opposes your car's motion through the air. The more drag you have, the more power it takes to overcome it. Drag reduces fuel efficiency. By reducing drag, you can improve your car's aerodynamics and reduce the amount of fuel it needs to maintain speed. It's a simple way to save money and improve performance. Planning your trips can save you fuel and time. Combining errands, avoiding rush hour, and using navigation apps can all contribute to better gas mileage. Think of it as being strategic about your driving. Combine errands to minimize trips. Instead of making multiple trips to different stores, try to combine your errands into one efficient trip. This reduces the overall distance you drive and saves fuel. Avoid rush hour traffic. Stop-and-go driving is terrible for fuel economy. Try to avoid driving during peak traffic hours if possible. Stop-and-go driving reduces fuel economy, constant acceleration, and braking waste fuel. Driving in free-flowing traffic is much more efficient. Use navigation apps for real-time traffic updates. Navigation apps can help you avoid traffic jams and find the most efficient routes. This can save you time and fuel. Navigation apps suggest fuel-efficient routes. Some navigation apps even offer fuel-efficient routing options, which can help you save even more money. Take advantage of these features. Incorporating these strategies into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your gas mileage. It's not about making drastic changes, but about adopting simple habits that save you money and help the environment. Small changes, consistently applied, make a big difference. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Stick with these strategies and you'll start to notice a difference in your fuel consumption over time. Improve gas mileage, save money, and contribute to sustainability. By improving your gas mileage, you're not only saving money, but you're also reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. Ready to start saving money and helping the planet? Take action today. First, check your tire pressure and inflate them to the recommended level. Then, plan your errands for the week and try to combine trips. Finally, commit to driving smoothly and avoiding aggressive acceleration and braking. Share this video with your friends and family so they can start saving too. Let's all do our part to improve gas mileage and create a more sustainable future. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on saving money and living a more eco-friendly lifestyle.